So, very good afternoon to all of you. And we are here with the Merchant of Venice novel. It's a 64-page long novel, and we are bringing it into our context just to have a written book review. है ना? So, we shall be learning this novel from day one, which is today. Let's begin. Is the screen clear, dear all? All right, I shall do the needful. Stay, mom. Now, it's the book cover. It's the book cover, the first page. Wait. So it is the novel by William Shakespeare and publication houses Saddleback Publication. Today's readers are tomorrow's leaders. Remember. All right. The Merchant of Venice, my son. The Merchant of Venice. All right. So let us begin with the bio of the writer itself. We are like quite known figure he is. William Shakespeare was baptized, means he was Christianized. He was baptized on April 26, 1564 in Stratford on Avon, England. This is the place where he belongs to. The third child of John Shakespeare, a well-to-do merchant, and Mary Arden, his wife. Young William probably attended the Stratford Grammar School. So you need to have a background of the writer also. जिस भी book का आप review करेंगे. Right. So where he learned English, Greek, and a great deal of Latin. Historians aren't sure of the exact date of Shakespeare's birth. In 1582, Shakespeare married Anne Hathaway, very famous writer she is. By 1583, the couple had a daughter, Susanna, and 2 years later, the twins, Hamnet and Judith. Somewhere between 1585 and 1592, Shakespeare went to London, where he became first an actor and then a playwright. His acting company, The King's Men, ये कंपनी का नाम था. किसकी कंपनी का नाम? Correct. Appeared most often in the Globe Theatre. ये theatre भी उनका ही था. The Globe Theatre, a part of which Shakespeare himself owned. In all, Shakespeare is believed to have written 37 plays, several non dramatic poems, and a number of sonnets. In 1611, when he left the active life of the theatre, he returned to Stratford and became a country gentleman, living in the second largest house in town. For 5 years, he lived a quiet life. Then, on April 23rd, 1616, William Shakespeare died and was buried in Trinity Church in Stratford. From his own time to the present, Shakespeare is considered one of the greatest writers of the English speaking world. What do you mean by English speaking world? All the parts of the world where English is spoken, used for conversation. All right, so here comes the poster of the the novel, that is Merchant of Venice. So he's Antonio, she is Portia, he is Shylock, the villain, and Jessica Bassanio. All right, so here begins the play. On one condition, I shall allow. Have you seen how I have given the brief bio of the writer? So you need to take proper pauses. आप लोग सुनिए आप पहले ये सीखिए कि जब आप लोगों को माइक का मौका मिले तो आप लोग ऐसे सोचिए कि आप लोग उस चीज को नरेट कर रहे हैं. लगान में नरेशन शुरू होता है अमिताभ की वॉइस से, अगर आपने पिक्चर देखी हो, है ना. तो नरेशन कुछ ऐसा हो कि समा बन जाए और जो आपको सुनने वाला हो वो सुनता ही रह जाए, मन ही ना करे कि हाय कोई और भी बोले, इतना अच्छा लगता है। आप लोग तो पता नहीं कौन सी चटनी बना देते हैं कि खुदा दिल जो है उठ जाता है। आई आई आइए आपसे शुरुआत करते हैं। All right, so Aditya is here to break the ice and he wished to read. Let me see his reading skills. You have to maintain the heart of the novel. Come. This is the first scene, and let me pop up the illustration in full length. Okay, these are the three boxes, jewel boxes maybe. Yes, Aditya. ये mask निकालो पहले ढंग से शुरू करो.
Men came from everywhere to try to marry the beautiful Portia, rich men from France, England, and Germany, but she could accept only the men who passed her father's test. अच्छा men, मैं man. अच्छा.
So we got to know that here the lady Portia, she is so beautiful, and she men came from everywhere to try to marry the beautiful Portia, rich men from France, England, Germany, but she could accept only the man who passed her father's test. Right? Are you all able to connect with the novel, online people?
Yes, ma'am.
Thankfully.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what's happening in the scene? Perhaps the Prince of Morocco would win her, or perhaps it would be a handsome young man from Venice. Venice, a city in Italy, and it is very famous for a city of love, right? Okay, include Paris too. All right, now comes the story. I think the story has already started, so I shall begin with Arav. Come, एक एक पन्ने का हम चांस सबको देते हैं। आरव माफ कीजिए, शुरू आराम से।
The story begins many years ago on a street in Venice where three young men walked together. They were Antonio, a wealthy merchant, and his friends Celerio and Selenio. I don't know why. I am so sad. It's a strange feeling and it makes me very tired. Your mind is on the ocean where your ships are tossing on the waves. If I had so many ships at sea with such rich cargoes, I'd always be wondering where the wind was blowing them. Every time I saw a stone church, I would wonder what dangerous rocks my ships might hit.
So here, two stars have come. Cargos, elaborate cargos. Cargos किसके लिए? A seller
A,
of
s- a
loads of
seller of
goods.
good
नहीं, नहीं,
often.
loads of goods to
That's
sell.
wrong.
ठीक है, loads of goods to sell, and then the a seller of ये
Man,
किसके
that's a
लिए?
merchant.
Merchant, correct. Continue.
No, no, my fortune is spread out on many ships in many places. Not all of them could be lost at once. Believe me, I am not sad because of worrying about my ships and my fortune.
All right, so these people are talking among each other. What is happening? Have you all paid attention? Who are these men? First thing, correct. The story begins many years ago, बहुत साल पहले, on a street in Venice, where three young men walked together. They were Antonio and his friends, Cel- Celerio and Solenio. Right now, these are the three people. I don't know why I'm so sad. It's a strange feeling, and it makes me very tired. Your mind is on the ocean where your ships are tossing on the waves. If I had so many ships at sea with such rich cargoes, I would always be wondering where the wind was blowing them. Every time I saw a stone church, I would wonder what dangerous rocks my ships might hit. So these different symbols are reminding these characters of something. Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है ना? No, no. My fortune is spread out on many ships in many places. Not all of them could be lost at once. Believe me, I am not sad because of worrying about my ships and my fortune. Why? Then you are, why? Then you're in nahin. Why then you are in love? You're in love. All right. No, that's not it either. कोई व्यक्ति लॉस्ट कब दिखता है ना? या तो वो he is preoccupying with some tension, or maybe he is lost in somebody's thoughts. Then you are sad just because you aren't happy. Here comes your cousin Bassanio with Lorenzo and Graciano. We'll leave you in good company. ठीक है, अब किसकी एंट्री हो रही है कैरेक्टर्स में? कीप अ नोट ऑल्सो, थोड़ा सा स्क्रिबल करके. हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर्स वी हैव सीन? एंटोनियो, Salerio, Solanio, now Bassanio, fourth, fifth, Lorenzo, and now Graciano. I think 6 characters. We'll leave you in good company. अब यहां से किसका एग्जिट हो रहा है? उसके दो मर्चेंट फ्रेंड्स का. Now who are alone? Antonio and I guess Bassanio. Have a look, have a look. Good day to you. When are we going to get together and have some fun? Whenever you say. For now, we must leave. You don't look well, Antonio. You are too serious. The world's a stage, Crescenio, and the part one must play is a sad one. Now, who two characters are left? Crescenio and Antonio. Then I'll play the part of a fool. Let my wrinkles come from laughing and talking instead of being sad. Some men are known for their wisdom because they keep quiet. But if they spoke, they would be called fools like me. Well, I must be one of them because Grescenio never gives me a chance to speak. But we must leave. But we must leave you. Come, Lorenzo. Goodbye, friend. Grescenio speaks more and says less than any other man in Venice. Wisdom, great minds learning. Now, tell me about. Now, tell me about. Sorry. Now, tell me about this lady of this lady you spoke of. The secret trip you want to make to see her. Well, you know that I've enjoyed myself and spent more than I have. I owe a lot of money and most of it to you, but I have a plan for paying everything back. Tell me about it, Bassanio. I will do everything I can to help you. There is a rich young lady in Belmont named Portia. She is beautiful, too, and good. The word about her has spread, and men sail in every day to try and win her. तो जैसे हमारे यहाँ के कल्चर में वो होता है ना, क्या बोलते हैं भाई, स्वयंवर. I have seen it in some like epic shows. Epic shows. Yeah. So something of a kind is going on and okay, please Aditya, what is Swayamvar? Yeah.
Ma'am, in that one, the king, ma'am, he invites the princes or the kings of different kingdoms, and ma'am give him
And of different places too, not
from different places. And ma'am, he asked them to show their power.
one of his to ask them, he asked them, but usually there is a kind of like series of championships, matches, tournaments, and may the best man win, and whosoever wins, she is getting eligible for the daughter or for the princess of that king. हाँ, दिस इज वन थॉट. बिल्कुल. तो जिसे शादी करनी होगी या जिसे उस राजकुमारी से ब्याह करना होगा, वही आएंगे. All right, stay focused. भाई जो ऑनलाइन है उन्हें समझ में आ रहा है? That's literature. All right, so are you into the story? Not having food, bio. Okay, बड़ी बड़ी जल्दी बता दिया आपने. चलिए मैं एक बार फिर से शेयर कर रही हूं. अब दिख रही है भाई? All right, so there is a rich young lady in Belmont named Portia. She is beautiful too and good. यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ लिया है. अच्छा. I met her once and I could see in her eyes that she liked me. All right, so maybe it is love at first sight. So let's get on with the story. Now, Antonio, if I had the money to go to Belmont and try my luck, I think I could win her love. So who is the speaker? Grescenio. Grescenio, right? You know that all my money is tied up in my ships and their cargoes, but my credit is good. Use it to borrow as much money as you need, and I will soon repay it. Thank you, Antonio. Okay. So, Antonio is encouraging Grescenio to take part in this, mega fest where there is a fair chance for everyone to take part and to win Portia. Meanwhile, in Belmont, the heiress, Portia, talked with her maid, Nerissa. Nerissa, I am bored with everything in the world. I suppose I suppose people with too much money can be as sick of it as those who have nothing. What is the meaning? Very, very powerful meaning.
There is saying that even with money, you can't buy a moment. The meaning is कि पैसा होने के even though they have money, they get bored of that.
वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन वो जो people who are sick of money, यानी कि money making people, money minded people, they just weigh each and everything with money. Is this thing profitable to me? Is like, even if I will strike a deal or a friendship, I'll befriend somebody, so I'll be weighing that person. Is he influential? Then only I'll be friend with him, है ना? So she has compared the money minded people with those who have nothing, right? Means they have no money, still they are sick. A promise to pay back any money borrowed. A young woman who had been given a great deal of money when her parents died. Heiress का मतलब क्या है? Her parents are no more. Yes, and she has gained this because as there is no heir, so she is the only child. अब तुम्हारा दिमाग दौड़ रहा है, तुम भी तो नहीं पहुंच रहे हो. All right. But is it fair? Is it fair that a living daughter should be controlled by the will of her dead father? I am not allowed to refuse a husband I don't like. I am not allowed to refuse a husband I don't like. How pathetic is my condition? ठीक है भाई, तुम सब चले जाना, चुप रहो थोड़ा. Or to choose one I do like. But your father was a wise and holy man, holy, pious, religious, है ना? स्टोरी सबको समझ में आ रही है? People who are online, आपको समझ में आ रही है? When he ordered your suitors to choose among these three chests, one gold, one silver, and one lead, he must have known how to pick the right husband for you. Before he died, Portia's father had set up the plan using the three chests. These are the three chests, all right? Inside one of them, Portia's picture was hidden to marry her. A suitor means the one who is chasing Portia. A suitor had to choose the right chest, the one which has Portia's painting pic in it. Okay? इन तीनों चेस्ट में से किसी एक में पोटिया की पिक्चर थी और उसके पिताजी ने ये सेटअप इसलिए लगा रखा था ताकि भाई हर एक व्यक्ति को मौका मिलेगा और जिसने वो बेस्ट चेस्ट पिक कर लिया जिसमें की पिक्चर है then the scene will be different. Have a look. How do you feel? How do you feel about the men who have already come to court you? Find out what is the meaning of COURT. It is not the High Court. Well, first there is the prince from Naples. Now the maid is updating her. He talks of nothing but his horse and how he can show him himself. अब यहाँ पे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर शुरू हो जाते हैं जो एक एक करके व्यक्ति आए हैं. The first is Prince of Naples. What is he doing? Nothing except bragging about his horse. How about the Count Palatine? He does nothing but frown. Raising the brow. I would sooner marry a skull with a bone in its mouth. Right? She's saying, who? Portia. She's just speculating कि कितना बुरा हो सकता है मेरे साथ क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई power है क्या? I have no power. Even if I'm not liking somebody, I cannot dethrone him. कि भाई आप इस competition में हो ही नहीं. You can go. No. What about the French man or the young English man or the man from Scotland? I don't like any of them. देखते हैं क्यों कर रही. Well, how do you like the young German duke? Not at all in the morning. Not at all in the morning when he is sober, and even less in the afternoon when he is drunk. Well, don't worry. All of them are giving up and going home. I'm glad of that all are leaving. They are going home. Do you remember in your father's time a young man from Venice who came here? Yes, I think his name was Bassanio. He seemed to be the best of all of them. I remember him well and I agree. Just then a servant entered. Well, what is it? The last 4 men who came to win you wish to say goodbye. मतलब एक एक करके सबने वो चेस्ट ओपन किया होगा किसी का लक फेवर नहीं किया and now they all are returning but these 4 are still waiting and word has come that the prince of Morocco will arrive tonight. While we shut the gate on one suitor, another knocks at the door. Meanwhile in Venice, Bassanio talked with a money lender. अब इधर इनका तो कार्गो जो है शिप में lost. He needs money to come to meet Portia. So what is he doing? He is arranging money on the advice of Antonio. है ना? Now, so he has gone to a money lender. His name is Shylock. Now comes Shylock. Shylock was a Jew whose business was lending money and charging interest for its use. जब लोगों का टाइम खत्म हो जाता था कि हाँ भाई 2 महीने के लिए मैं आपको पैसे दे रहा हूं अब आपको इससे भी डबल दाम में मुझे पैसे वापस करने. So he was very famous he was very famous for charging insane interest. 3,000 ducats? Well, now, yes, sir, for 3 months. For 3 months, I need this money. Who is this? Bassanio. And he is Shylock. And Antonio will repay the loan. Now, Bassanio says Antonio's name, his friend. Antonio? His credit is good. But I want to speak with Antonio first. इतनी बड़ी अमाउंट देने से पहले आप जिसको नाम रेफर कर रहे हो जो पैसे मेरे पे करेगा उससे वो बुला के लाओ. मैं उससे मिलना चाहता हूं. Of course. Here comes now. Welcome Antonio. I hate Antonio. first because he is a Christian. Now ये खुद से डायलॉग चल रहा है इसका. This इसे इसे हम इंग्लिश लिटरेचर की भाषा में कहते हैं सोलिलोकी. क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Soliloquy, a self-talk, where the character is shown on stage talking with one of his asides. अब ये क्या सोच रहा है? He is already having so many thoughts about Antonio, that he's Christian, I hate him. And secondly, because he lends money free of charge and ruins my business. So he can't stand people who give charity and are so generous and humanitarian. ठीक है? Why? Because he's just the opposite. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? He hates us, Jews. He hates us, Jews, and talks against me and the interest I charge. All right. So he is still talking about this. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? एंटोनियो के बारे में. कौन कर रहा है? शाइलॉक. ये देखिए दोनों, ये बबल्स जो हैं दोनों इसी के हैं. He is thinking. No, it's not khayali. It's very much the background of the story. Have a look. Sherlock, are you listening to me? Oh, wait. कितना टाइम बाकी है? मैं किसी का पीरियड तो नहीं ले रही हूँ. All right. Sherlock, are you listening to me? I was just thinking about how much money I can lend you. But he was thinking the contrary. Sherlock, you know, I don't believe in charging interest for lending money. Antonio, but for my friend's sake, I will break my rule. Has he told you what he wants? कौन पूछ रहा है? Antonio to Sherlock. Yes, 3,000 ducats for 3 months. Signor, I guess this is the pronunciation only. Signor, Antonio, many times you have called me names in public for the money I lend and the interest I charge. Now he is reminding, एक तरीके से embarrass करवाना कि देखो, now you're in need and nobody's of your help but I am, about whom you backbite and you speak ill words in the market. About whom? Me. Who is me? Sherlock. ठीक है, वो उसे बता रहा है. You have done this just because I choose to use my wealth this way. Now you need my help. You ask me for money. What should I say? All right, so till here I'm keeping it and we shall continue from page 22. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Hope you have liked this story.